In this video we are going to see the functionality of a payment dashboard. So here is the menu for the payment dashboard. Here we are having this date range filter. Here we can select the date range. Based on that we can filter out the data. Then we are having this payment provider selection. So here we can select our provider. Then we are having this refresh button. So by click on this, whatever the filter we have selected based on that data, based on that filter, this data will get refreshed. Then we are having another refresh button. So by click on this, whatever the filter we have selected, that got vanished. So again we have to select the filter. Then we are having one more button which we can use to switch from light mode to dark mode and dark mode to light mode. Then we are having this total 5 cards: total volume, total transactions, success rate, failed transaction and refunded transactions. So by click on this card we can see those data here, and by click here we can see the full summary of that payment transaction. Then we are having a transaction volume over the time. Here we are having a filter for the daily, yesterday. Then we are having a weekly. Then we are having a monthly. Then we are having a transaction by status. So here in done stage we are having 5 transactions. In pending total 1, in error state total 1 transaction is there, and in refund state 1 transaction is there. Then we are having a volume by provider. So here total 1710.5 amount of the volume we have transacted through this payment provider. Then we are having one more tab which is recent transactions. So here we can see all the recent transactions. By click on this view all button we can see all those transactions, and by click on any record we can see the full summary of that record. Then we are having this refunded transactions. So here the transactions which we have used for the refunds, that we can see here. So by click on this we can see the full summary of that refunded transactions also. So this is the functionality of a payment dashboard. Thank you.